Rightio. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We're going to start in a few minutes. AULT. BDRX. Very nice entries here. AULT is right here. These are your levels. AULT is very bullish. Strong, nice, strong trend. Key levels here. Looks good, looks good. I like it. So AULT, strong, bullish trend. Looks good. Nice setup on this. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Right, let's see what else is moving. BDRX, as I mentioned, it looks very, very good. Expecting this to go up, 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 up. ASTS looks great. MTC doing exactly what I expected. We will see ASTS larger time frame setup. Bull flag. I entered. I didn't enter here. Sorry. This is where I mentioned it around here, just before. Was it 545? Yeah, it was. Yeah, 545 here, up to 575. It ran. We have. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. We have EDBL. I'm not too convinced with this one anymore. I'm just letting it play out in demand zone at the moment. This is kind of what the setup is. Nothing on that. Same as MMAT, nothing on this. Strong downtrend. I would just avoid it for now. Candle's getting very small, therefore indicates that volume is low. BCAN, larger time frame setup on the watch list as I posted for you guys. Bullish pennant, expecting a breakout. Traded this one yesterday perfectly. Want to reclaim VWAP. Gave this in the Discord for a nice, I think like 10%. So BCAN, very, very nice on this. This is what is expected to happen on this play. And then we have FFIE. Everyone's going on about this. These plays are getting sold off big time. But at the moment, it is in demand zone. So there is a high probability it will go up. AGBA did run, but now it's pretty much just chilling. Kraken. This one needs to hold demand zone. It's exactly the same setup as FFIE that I've just shown. MGOL is the strongest and bullish setup there is right now. This is a simple break and retest. This was the previous high here, this purple line. We simply broke above it. We retested that line and we went straight up. So if you entered on this candle here where members probably would have entered, as they know where to enter around here. And then once that retested, perfect entry, bang, up for a nice, what is that? Wow, 30% plus. Agri, I like this setup, but at the moment we can just fix this up a little bit. We can see what's happening, just a downtrend for now. So right now, nothing on this. You can use this as a demand zone on Agri. So here is your demand zone. If it pulls back into that, maybe possible entries, who knows? Demand zone. I'll get to your post now, guys, on YouTube. I'm gonna go through the Twitter and then I will go onto Discord. YouTube. Alt, I just went over. Peggy, I'm expecting, there we go, Peggy, there we go. There we go, there we go. Volume's coming in on this. Peggy, this has to go, man. It's in a falling wedge. Very clean setup. Should push, we'll see. Like up the stream, guys. It's free to do so. If you like the stream, I will keep charting and answer your questions. Peggy looks great. Peggy. Let me have a look. Let me update this Peggy chart. We moving. I know people in the Discord are in it because I mentioned to grab it. So people should be in it. No issues. Right. Let me go through Discord and then Twitter, and then I'll go through the rest. Let's see. Guys, just ask for one chart at a time. I'm not going to be posting 3 charts per person. I'm not a robot. This is simply just in the demand zone. These will follow each other. GWAV, all of them. GWAV, I would avoid at all costs. So Kraken is currently in demand zone, as we can see. We have, what else? That's it. Okay, cool. Let me go through here. Right, let's go through. Right, how many likes do we have? I will not chart until we have 30. We need at least 40 likes. We need double the likes. We're on 19 likes. Come on, guys. There's 70 people in here. We just need literally 20 of you to click. And then I will start charting for you guys. And helping you guys out. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Diego. Good morning, John, Robert. Tessia. Right. LMFA. How many likes are we at? 22 likes. Come on, guys. It's literally one click. One click. LMFA is up 14% right now. I don't know. Weird volume spike. I don't know why it's done that. But if I'm looking at the current chart, we have just an uptrend like this. That's all I have. But these candle wicks like this is a no-go for me. I don't like this. Simply just mark the high. That's what I would do, which is 463. Breaks above that, then maybe you could look for possible entries on that. What do you think of SCP XP? Someone asked me about this earlier. Nothing on this at all. I don't have this chart. SCXP. Yeah. I don't have this chart, unfortunately. Silo. Very weird chart. It's not my kind of chart due to lack of volume. But your key level is, yeah, what was it? I have this already charted here. So this is your levels. These are your levels right here. 288. I will put this on Twitter so you can save it and stick it on your forehead. So here's your silo key levels. Silo. EDBL, there's nothing on this at the moment from what I remember. Yeah, EDBL maybe. It's trying to reverse here. It's in demand zone. Possible entries here. Stop loss would be maximum 470, which is quite a big stop loss for me personally. But yeah, that is what you would need to have if you entered this trade. Still in a bearish trend. However, we are starting to see support. Now candles are pushing to the upside. So buyers are stepping in on EDBL. So EDBL, buyers are stepping in. Alright, so buyers are stepping in on this, indicating that there is a possibility that this is maybe reversing now. GWAV, I don't like GWAV at all. I don't like it. It's down 60%. If you're trying to play a stock because it's down 60% and you think it can reverse, then you have the wrong mindset. That is the incorrect mindset. This thing is extremely bearish. Don't try and play the stock because you're going to be in trouble. Play the stocks that are moving. It's very easy. If you can play a stock that moves and goes up and down, then you have a higher probability of making money. Right now, this thing is, yes, it's in a falling wedge, but I personally don't like it at all. Nothing on that play. BDRX is right here. And just as expected, money is made for everyone. Woohoo! It's a very, very simple strategy when you know how to trade. Very, very easy setup there. Very, very easy. I have some lotto plays. I will hold it into open because I'm confident that it will probably keep going. But this is, as I mentioned, 12 minutes ago, and I gave it 25 minutes ago, and then literally 1 hour ago. There you go. I mentioned, this is an A++ setup, a very easy setup. Demand zone. Here we go. Falling wedge. Kaboom. So if you entered anywhere inside of the falling wedge, which is here, you do not enter on the breakout because it's expected to. This was a perfect entry right here. Then you push to the upside for a nice 13%. I am in at 213. That is my entry. Well done if anybody did get in. I know people in the Discord did get in, so well done. Oh, someone from Twitter just messaged me. Nice, well done. Well done. BDRX, yeah. BDRX, very nice. Here's your next level now, 260. Expecting a nice move to the upside. Easy money. Easy money. SINT is extremely bearish. I personally would not be touching this right now. We have a strong downtrend. We can maybe use this little candle here as a demand zone like this. So maybe it's in demand zone, but for me, nothing on this. It's too bearish. Nothing on this. Why would you try and trade a stock like this when you can just get in BDRX and make your quick money on that? That's my thought process. Just make it very easy for yourself. What is running? Play it. That's it. Learn technicals and where to enter, and then you trade it. Right? So with BDRX, it ran up. I let it do its thing. And then after that, all I did was go into my trade. Right? So learning technicals is very, very beneficial if you want to become a day trader. Well, it's essential. BDRX, SINT, MBY. Someone's asked me about MBY about 20 times. I think I actually blocked them. This is the chart. It is bearish. If it breaks above the trend line, you can enter the trade. So that means if it breaks above 0.16, maybe you can look for entries. Right now, leave it alone. Run away. MGRX. MGRX sounds familiar. Let me have a look. I think there's a gap fill here. What is this? I think it's a gap fill here. What's this white line? I have no idea why there's a white line here. Oh, it was a gap fill here. Whatever it was. Yep, MGRX is running right now. I don't know anything about it, but I'll just add it to the watch list. I won't be trading this, but I'll probably give some setups for members in the Discord for this one. Since it is moving, but we'll see. Right now, trying to enter is extremely high risk. You have no idea what's going to happen. So personally, just wait. This is it. It's just ranging right now. So that's what you have. Those are your levels right now. Right, guys, like up the stream. How many likes do we have? Let me refresh this real quick. We have 43 likes. Come on, guys. We have 80 people in here. We can at least get more. MGRX. Yeah, like the stream. LMFA, proper pump and dump. Yeah, bro. I would just... Yeah, Mike, just chill out on that. I don't think you're in it, but you know what I mean. CCLD, low volume, 4-hour chart to identify what's going on. We have new resistance, which is right here. So 289. You can use 290 as resistance. So right now, you should not be considering anything. Personally, I wouldn't. Maybe it's an ascending triangle. You could maybe use it as that, which is a bullish chart pattern like this. So this means you expect price to break out of this, right? So ascending triangle is one of those patterns similar to a falling wedge. Same thing is expected to happen, which is a breakout, 290. So let me just redo this for you so you guys can get it. 290 here. Then you can see this like that. Right, so right now that is an ascending triangle. If you go onto Google or anywhere that has any information on technicals, this will help you to understand. This is a bullish chart pattern, CCLD, so ascending triangle. Needs volume in order for it to respect this technical, otherwise it's going to come down steep. MGR's ice stream, cis, he spelled it wrong, SCPX. All right, I'll look. CISS, someone asked me about this earlier as well. There is nothing on this yet. Yes, maybe here's good entries, possible reversal. Previous resistance now has become support, maybe pushing to the upside. That is your CISS chart. MBY, I've done that. CCLD, he spelled it wrong, SCPX. Let me look at this. SCPX, nothing for me on this. I would wait for the downtrend break. Yeah, maybe demand zone here, but nothing on me for this right now. Demand zone. Right. So I use the demand zone on all time frames to just give you guys a clear picture. But if I use it when I'm day trading, I use 5 minute. MGL $1 possible. Anything is possible, brother. Right now, it is extremely bullish. If you wanted to get to $1, you needed to make a... You literally need to make another 40%, so it needs to run basically 250%. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. Will it do it? I have no idea, but based on technicals, it is very bullish. These are your next levels to go. So 0.885, oops. Focus on these levels first. Do not hold for $1, guys. You need to understand where support and resistance is. 0.95. I know these levels because these are the psychological levels usually on these plays. I create my own Fibonacci tool. Here is your setup. So if you're trying to look for an entry on this trade, very, very easy to do. If it breaks above that trend line, enter the trade. If it doesn't, don't enter. So this is your chart right now on MGOL. This is the strongest setup right now, but doesn't mean you enter now. So right now it's very bullish. Okay, it's up 200%, but now is not the time to enter. If it breaks above that, then you can enter. Trying to enter on a downtrend, you're going to be playing a very difficult, tough game. CCLD, MGL, bingo, Sint, Agri, SINT, nothing on this, I don't think. Yeah, SINT, nothing. SINT is just near demand zone. Agri is looking all right. Oh, it's back in demand zone now. Yeah, so this is back in demand zone, nothing. Maybe if it holds this level, you can look for entries. Agree. What should I be getting into right now? I have no idea, brother, what you should be getting into right now. I don't know what you should be getting into right now. MTC is very nice, and BDRX. They are the two strongest setups that I see at the moment. MTC strong bottom wick of demand zone. MTC. Yeah, MTC. I like MTC, but right now it's still pulling back. Maybe it'll pull back a little more. Here's your strong bottom wick. Yeah, we'll see though. This is huge resistance here, 149. Hopefully it holds this or pushes for open. I personally waiting for around this demand zone again. This level here. This new demand zone. We can use this one, but I'm using this because it's pretty much the low and it's a nice strong area. SCPX. I'm just going over SCPX. SCPX, absolutely nothing. Demand zone, nothing. Bearish, bearish, bearish. BRSH. BRSH, bearish. Downtrend, no need to enter. If it breaks above 0.16, you can look for entries. For the newbies, learn significance of demand zone. Yes. Guys, the easiest thing I can tell you and teach you is simply just learning a demand zone. I've literally given you guys an explanation of what the demand zone is. I will post on Friday how to find the demand zone. But we have a video on the YouTube video on our channel. Subscribe to the channel, go onto Tigerline Trading and go through it and type in demand zone, and you will see what the demand zone is and how to trade it. It's a very, very simple strategy to use. If you can trade and use the demand zone, you will become profitable. I entered BDRX 2.48. BDRX at 2.48. No, I'm expecting it to continue to go up, but next time just make sure you have a stop loss. I wouldn't be FOMO or hodling for anything. It's not good. We buy Sint. No, you do not buy Sint. It's up to you, brother. You do what you need to do. Sint is not good at the moment. Peggy, I like Peggy, but there's a lot of resistance here. Since it broke out already here, this candle I expect it to continue push up, but maybe it's just lagging a little bit. Same thoughts, just need some reassurance. No worries, bro. MTC, I like MTC. I still like it, but it needs a little pullback after the little breakout here. So from demand zone, it ran up a little bit. I gave it to Discord here around 117. So around here, we made a nice 20%. I sold literally before here. This one here, 124? No, 122 was my sell. MTC, you think GWAV will come back? I have no idea, bro. At the moment, yeah, it's setting up for a breakout, which is a bullish falling wedge. So you expect it to break out, but it can obviously come all the way down here. But down 60%, I don't know. I wouldn't be focusing on it. Hope you're not bag holding, because next time, just make sure you have a stop loss. That's why I don't hold these plays overnight. AULT is just trending in a range right now. The overall trend is extremely bullish. Here's your next levels, 0.5555 and then 0.62. GDPP, yo, what's up, yo, bro? GTBP, I didn't really like this one due to the range of it. I know it's running right now like 60%. This thing's an absolute monster though. Dylan in the Discord, he was trading this and he made some good money. So yeah, I know there's a high risk, high reward on this, but at the moment, if I was looking for entries, you could use this area of support. You have more touches here. So maybe if it comes down to 9.83, you could look for possible entries. But yeah, it's running right now. I personally won't be touching it. I don't like plays that have crazy range. I just avoid these because I can't give them as alerts. Like scalping, yeah, it's easy to do it. You pretty much buy pullback and then that's what you do. But this one, maybe like this would be the prediction. If it can come down to around here, retest and push to the upside like that. So let's see. This is a crazy runner though. This ran on Monday, I think. This is a very strong setup though. This is my prediction. MTC, think AULT, she's gone. GWAV, I just showed the falling wedge. Sorry, never mind. I think there's delay. All right, no worries, bro. Yeah, I don't know why there's a delay. I need someone to help me try and fix the delay. I bet it's probably annoying as well. If someone knows how to do it, let me know so I can do it. CTXR. I don't know. I don't really like this chart when there's so many wicks. Personally, I would just wait for 107 right now. BCAN, I like BCAN. BCAN's a good setup. Up 10%, larger time frame setup. Expected a breakout. Traded this yesterday. It was very nice. So look here, we have a bullish pennant. Expecting price to break out. 140, then 152's next level. On that. I'm assuming, Yasa, you mean Kraken Kraken is just, guys, everyone save this because I know everybody's watching this play. Right now, it is bearish, which means it's in a downtrend, which means no good. However, it's in the demand zone. What is the demand zone? There's 86 people in here. Understand what a demand zone is. It is where buyers step in and they push the price up. This is a good area to buy the stock. That is what it means. But just because it's in the demand zone, I do not buy. I have to wait for some confluences personally, which can be EMAs, it can be other indicators, it can be support and resistance. There's a lot of things, but I have that. That is what I wait for. So Peggy's all right. MGOL is looking very good. So look here now. This is using a support. Agri, maybe AULT. I don't really like AULT too much. MTC is right here. Let's see. Here's your demand zone. Right here. Here's your new demand zone. Demand zone for MTC. We will have to wait to see if this gives me a setup today on this one. Guys, there's a few of you that have just joined the Discord. For those who have just joined, can you please go onto your DM, and I've sent you the starter pack. Click on that. It says start here and go through the videos. And I explain basically what you need to do in order to understand how the alerts work and all that kind of stuff. So once those questions are there, you'll see it. MTC, this is looking good. Still like it. I still like MTC. MTC, I still like it. MTC, FFIE. Yeah, does anybody know how to fix the delay? Because I know that's why people probably ask. All crypto is running. Do you trade crypto? I do not trade crypto, but same fundamentals, same thing, same technicals, all the same thing works. But stocks that run the crypto are very easy. Mara, Hutright, Can, BT, BKKT. There's a shitload of them. There's a bunch of them. But I don't play like the sympathies. I buy sometimes on the weekend, on Friday, like I'll buy some. I'll buy like 2 or 3 plays for sympathies, and then Monday I'll sell it. But I just take it as sympathy plays. I do it pretty much every Friday, to be honest. FFIE, guys, look here. So look at FFIE. Can you all do me a favor and please just do this? Write this down, put it in your notes on a piece of paper, whatever you need to do. FFIE, Kraken and GWAV all run together. That simply means if FFIE goes up, the other ones will push up, right? So FFIE, you see this chart? Very good. Screenshot it. And then look at Kraken. Same chart, exactly the same thing, right? See? And then obviously GWAV is not the same right now simply because it's down 59%, but you can see that it's pretty much doing the same thing, right? It's in support here. It looks similar to these plays, but Kraken and FFIE all run together. Same thing, same plays. They all run together, sympathies. How long are you live for? I'm live for literally 5 more minutes. Then I'm going to do some live trading in the Discord for an hour and a half. And then pretty much done. BDRX. People in the Discord are talking about this one. What's happening? Yeah, let's see. ASTS, I like this setup. MTC needs to hold demand zone. EDBL, nothing really. MMAT, I just have this as support right now. Nothing really here, but we're starting to get an area of support here. So let's see what this can do around here. Yeah, it's not a horrible idea. Yeah, and I just do it for fun. I just buy like 3-4K and then see what happens. MTC, nothing. ASTS. ASTS is a larger time frame setup. It's a very bullish setup. Right now you have the high of yesterday, which is 577. If it breaks above that, continuation. I gave this as an alert yesterday, I'm pretty sure. Yes, I did. I also did a trade review on this for members in the Discord. So here, 577 breaks, you should be clean through, right? So ASTS, clean room to the upside if it breaks 577. 577. MMV. Let me look at MMV. MMV is bearish. No good, no good. Well, it needs a pullback at least. I don't know. You could keep this on watch, but for me, nothing on this at the moment. MMV is bearish. Currently bearish. Downtrend. No bueno. Right. I'm not horrible there. Is the Discord free? The Discord is not free. The reason why the Discord is not free is because myself and Hassie, we give full education. We give every single strategy that we do. We do seminars on it. We explain everything in full detail. We spend a lot of time with all members. We are there pretty much 24/7. No joke. We give live trading alerts from market open for the first couple hours because that's when volume is. We do live seminars. We have one, not Sunday. I have to figure out when the next one is. And then we have some live seminar videos already up there. We have a lot of educational content. We have pretty much the alerts and everything that everyone wants there. Twitter is just where I post charts. It's simply just where I post charts. It doesn't mean I'm in it. It doesn't mean... It just really, I just share setups that I expect to go up, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I get in. If I get into any trades, they are the high probability setup. I do not put them on Twitter. I do not put them on Twitter because they get manipulated, or although I only have 15,000 followers or whatever it is, you'll be surprised that if I just post a chart, people will try and short it. So I've learned from my mistakes last month. I figured it out that people were doing it and it was actually affecting my trading a lot, right? The thing is that I focus on my A+ setups and I pretty much take the same setups almost every single time so members can understand why I take it. We don't give 100 alerts a day. I give maybe 3 or 4 maximum a day, same as Hassie. So around, let's say 10 each, total. So we're not here to pump and dump. We literally teach you guys why we get in. I explain pretty much why I get in almost every time. So yeah, up to you. It's up to you if you guys decide to join. There's no forcing, whatever. Discord is worth it. Thanks, Rochelle. Appreciate it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're right. Can you imagine? Like if I literally just post a stock will go up. That's why I just avoid it. And then that's why like my Twitter does well simply because I trade based off technicals. Yeah, if it does a sharp, like, well, not sharp, but if it like dumps or something randomly, you can tell that someone's obviously tried to short it or something. But technicals, that's why I've learned technicals very well. I'm pretty good at it. And that is why my setups do work majority of the time. Yes, I'm not 100% correct. Someone just tried to be funny with me and said, oh, your analysis wasn't correct. Well, sorry, I'm not 100% correct. But majority of the time I am, right? I would say at least 75% over the last 4.5 years, right? Okay, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Members, new members who just joined. I know there's 2 more that just joined. Please, can you check your DMs? I have messaged you. Can you please look? And I have sent you the intro video. Watch that and then join the live train link, which will be sent out in 20 minutes. I will see you guys there. Twitter, thank you guys so much for all the support. I cannot appreciate you guys enough, and thank you. I will continue to share charts. I'm not going to just spam charts. I only share setups that I probably expect to go up. With that being said, please make sure you have a stop loss. Do not be stupid and full port my plays because you will probably be in big trouble, right? Anyways, have a great day, guys. Members, I'll see you guys.